Thank you for sharing, and subscribing. It's free for you, but it really helps out the channel.
And today on Have a Knife Day, we're here at Blade Show 2025. We're at the booth of Chaves Knives. Please introduce yourself and let's see what you brought to the show.
Hi, I'm Ammon Padakin with Chaves Knives, and the biggest thing we have at this show is our first full-sized OTF knife. It's called the Dissident. It's got like a nice matte black Type 3 anodizing. This is probably more of like a standard model. It'll be a drop point S35VN steel. And the main features are, if you'll notice, the blade is a little bit wider than the tang. You can get a good angle there. So Ramon wanted to make sure the ratio of blade to handle stayed really good. He tried to extend that out as long as he could, which means it's falling further back in the pocket. And it kicks like a mule.
Mind if I try?
Go for it.
Oh. That springs forth with much authority.
Yeah, there we go. Typical Chaves knife style. Retails for $400, and they will be out to dealers shortly. We did a launch here. This is the first time they've debuted in the show, and yeah, look forward to selling it through dealers.
Now all you got to do, now I'm going to do a quick sweep of what you have left. This is actually Saturday, later in the day.
Yes.
And the booth, whenever I would walk by, has been very, very busy. We have a bit of a lull. And I came in here to strike very quickly. And just wanted to give you guys the opportunity to see what they have. Now, I'm going to be posting the links to Chaves Knives in the description, so please do go there and look at it. I said this once, I'll say it a million times, looking's great, but buying's better. And I also own a Chaves knife myself. They are really great pieces of sharp art. There you go. Not bad for speaking as much as I have. Ammon,
yes,
thank
sir.
you so much. We really appreciate your time. And kick that out. Boom. And with that, have a nice day.
You too. Thank you.
Let's go put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachute, get all those gliders ready to attack today. Hook up!